We are used to talking about car speeds in terms of miles per hour. Sometimes we don't even think about what that really means. It means you go a certain number of miles in an hour. Well, I could measure car speeds as miles per 2 hours if I wanted, right? It would still be a distance divided by time. So let's try expressing this a different way than we're used to. V equals 90 miles per 2 hours. Now, if you want, you can just say 90 divided by 2 means this is just 45 miles per hour, the good old units we're used to. But this problem is saying, how about you convert that speed into feet per 5 seconds? Well, this is completely different. So let's try this using some unit conversions. It's still a speed. So instead of 90 miles per 2 hours, I want seconds. I don't want hours, I want seconds. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to say, well, okay, how many hours are there in a second? There's 1 hour per 3,600 seconds. Okay. What this is going to do is it's going to cancel out the hours units. Next, I think, okay, well, I don't want miles, I want feet. So what I'm going to do is multiply by something that will cancel out miles. I'm going to need miles on the bottom, and I'm going to need feet on top. And I know that in 1 mile, there are 5,280 feet. So what this does is it crosses out the miles part of this fraction. And if you look at all the units, what's left? Let me try to clean this up a little bit. We've got 90 times 5,280, and the only units left on top are feet. And on the bottom, we have 2 times 3,600, and the only units left on bottom are seconds. So I've converted this into feet per second. If we want to simplify this even more, let me see. 90 times 5,280 divided by 2. Okay. I get the following. 66 feet per second. That's the conversion of miles per hour to feet per second. Now, this isn't asking how many feet does the car go in 1 second. That would be 66. It's asking how many feet in 5 seconds. So we say in 5 seconds, the car goes 66 feet per second times 5 seconds. So that feels like about 330.